I never realized ducks had this many colors in them. Green and red and wow, navy, purple. They really are like a indigo color. Wow. Hiya. Yeah. What up though? We out here. Quick walk. And then we have some errands to do. But yeah, make sure you get your movement in today. What's all that movement back there? Make sure you move though. Do something. Shake something. I holla. Right, March? Right, March? Handling your business, so okay. Right. This is a whole girl, and she pees with her leg up. I don't know why she does that, but you're not dominant over here. You was a house dog, okay? Doing returns at this child. It might be hormones. Oh. So I was going to rant about the Walmart worker. Then I remembered I worked at Walmart at one point in time. I don't blame her. I don't blame her. I don't. Nope, not one bit. Mm-mm. That was the hormones. That was the hormones. Hello, squirrel. Hello. He not moving. This is another thing I love about being down here. The sky is just gorgeous. Always, always gorgeous. See the sky? It's just beautiful. Beautiful. So this is called 299 Depot. Look at everything. I don't know how safe I feel in here. I'm being real honest. I keep looking on the floor to see if any rats or anything jump out. I am so nervous. But yeah. $2.99. I mean, they don't got no air on. They got one fan. Look at all the boxes back there. I'm never scared to shop nowhere. But baby, that was scary. Does that not look suspicious?
Suspicious. You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that suspicious.
So we're in one of our favorite stores, Dollar Tree. This one we've never been to. Ooh, picture frame. This one we've never been to, so I wanted to come in and see what they had. Um, I don't know why we like coming to Dollar Tree so much. This was like one of our pastimes. Always has been. So, Dollar Tree, you could get all types of stuff. Picture frames, Valentine's Day cards. I mean, pretty much, yeah. So, about to check out these. About to check out these picture frames, and yeah. And now we're heading home. Uh, yeah, I'll show you what I got from Dollar Tree. I didn't get much, but yep, headed home now. This is my little Dollar Tree haul. I saw these puzzles and immediately thought of my niece, who enjoys doing puzzles, but also for myself. I think I'm going to keep these two. The artist is black. She lives in Europe, but she is a black digital artist. And I'm sending these little nail art stuff to my niece. This will go to my nephew. We love these ice pops. Like, absolutely love them. Have loved them for the last 4 to 5 years. They are so delicious. If you've ever had a Sonic cherry limeade or ocean water, it tastes just like it. And Sonic is always far from wherever we live, so. And I love Boom Chicka Pop. I also got these magazines from Dollar Tree too, so I could do my vision book. I did get these animals for my nephew, but he probably has a billion of them, and this little giraffe is on the struggle bus, so I'm just gonna keep these for myself. But that's everything from Dollar Tree today. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I am now ready for bed. I had my hair plaited down. I'm ready to go. Ow.